Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. In today's video, we will discuss about homologous and analogous structure. This topic is very important, so let's get started. As you can see in this diagram, there are two examples. So let's discuss the first example. In this example, you can easily see that bones of forelimbs are given of different organisms, that is man, cheetah, whale and bat. As you can see that the bones of different organisms are same. That means they consist of humerus, ulna, radius, carpal, metacarpal. Structure is same but function is different. So these are called as homologous structure. That means they shows homology. This is the example of divergent evolution. Divergent evolution means structure is same, function is different. The trick is HD. H stands for homologous, D for divergent evolution. That means structure is same but function is different. That means there will be a common ancestor from which the structure is evolved and acquired different function. As you can see in the next example, that means thorn of bougainvillea and tendril of cucurbita are given. So structure is same but function is different. In this, function is protection and their function is support. So homologous structure means they have same anatomical structure but different function. They show homology. Example of divergent evolution. Now the next one. As you can see in this diagram, different types of wings are there. The structure of wings are different but the function is same. Structure is different, function is same. That means these are analogous structure. They show analogy and they are example of convergent evolution. In analogous structure, structure is different but function is same. As you can see that wings are of different structure, different shape and different size, but function is same, that is flying. So these are the example of analogous structure. And the trick is AC. That means A for analogous structure, C for convergent evolution. Convergent evolution means structure is different but function is same. Structure is different but function is same. The next example is, as you can see that in plants, this is potato, this is sweet potato, this is underground stem, this is underground root. So both are different type of modification but their function is same, that is storage of food. So storage of food is their function and these modification are their different structures. So they are analogous structure. They show analogy and they are example of convergent evolution. I hope you all get this. For more videos, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you so much.